The brother asked a very good question, that is it compulsory for a Muslim man to wear his trousers above the ankle, and is it a label? The best answer is Quran and Sahih Hadith. It's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 7, in the book of Dress, chapter number 4. It says that the Prophet said that the part of the trouser that hangs below the ankle, that part will be in the hellfire. Following that, there are additional 5 or 6 hadith. Sahih Bukhari, volume number 7, book of Death, chapter number 5. It says that anyone who walks arrogantly with his trousers hanging on the ground, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will curse him. So, it is a commandment of the Prophet that any part of the trouser that goes below the ankle, it should be above the ankle. It's a requirement. Any part that goes below the ankle, it is prohibited according to the beloved Prophet. You ask me, is it a label? Yes, I would say it's part of the label. May not be a very identical label as compared to the cap and the beard, because not that you have to always look at the trousers, but it is a label. And if you have more taqwa and the person follows this, it is alhamdulillah. A person who has more taqwa, who wants to follow the commandment of the beloved Prophet, therefore you find that those who are more in the hadith, they see to it that they keep their trousers above the ankle. You can call it a label. It may not be as significant as the beard or the cap, which you can see from even a distance. From here I can see. Alhamdulillah. Trousers, I may not be able to see. But if you say it's a label, I've got no objection considering even that to be a label.